Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the future of robotics, exploring the latest advancements in robotics technology. So make sure to watch the full video. In 2030, robots could be exploring alien worlds and performing surgeries from halfway around the globe. Robotics is one of the fastest evolving fields of technology, and it's shaping the future of travel, work, and exploration. Peripheral advancements in AI, computing, and IoT are helping elevate things even further. Robotics holds some exciting innovations that will play a central role in daily life worldwide. Transportation. Few technologies in recent history have been as highly anticipated as autonomous vehicles. Ambitious scientists and engineers have pursued self-driving car technology for centuries. In fact, in the 1500s, Leonardo da Vinci designed a cart that could move on its own. DARPA's Autonomous Vehicle Challenge in the 2000s sparked a wave of modern R&D surrounding self-driving autos. Self-driving cars get smarter every year, yet they remain rare on the roads in the 2020s. What makes robotic transportation a challenge is AI computing and human randomness. Robots work best with structured, predictable data. Human behavior is never certain. Today's autonomous vehicle researchers are developing AI models that can accurately and consistently respond to obstacles on the road, especially pedestrians. Throughout the 2020s, this unique robotics niche may finally get over the hump and go mainstream. Tesla has blazed a trail for rudimentary autonomous vehicle tech with its autopilot mode. This developed public policy to regulate self-driving cars and increased public adoption. Other leading self-driving car companies are making substantial headway as well. Waymo began operating its autonomous taxi service in Phoenix in 2020. In 2022, the company announced it would be removing test drivers from the vehicles. Education. Educational robotics is experiencing some fun and exciting innovations right now. The COVID-19 pandemic led educators and parents to analyze education and the role of technology in learning. Robots have long since been a valuable learning tool in classrooms, especially for STEM education. This role will only grow over the years and decades ahead. One of the most fascinating educational robots is Moxie, developed by Embodied. This educational robot made headlines when it was released in 2021, gaining attention for its unique design and use of AI. Moxie is designed to be a socialization robot for children. It helps young kids learn social skills, empathy, critical thinking, and communication. Industry. Industrial robotics is booming right now. In fact, the current challenges facing manufacturing and construction are driving robotics development. For example, the construction industry is short an estimated 2.2 million workers, but demand for new homes and infrastructure has rarely been higher. Manufacturing is in a similar position with over 2.1 million unfilled jobs, accounting for $1 trillion in lost revenue. Robots are the perfect solution to these challenges. Manufacturing was one of the first applications for robotics, and it remains a strong candidate for increased automation. The structured, repetitive nature of many manufacturing tasks makes it easy to integrate robotics. AI and the Internet of Things, IoT, are advancing to a point where manufacturing could be 100% autonomous by the 2030s, from assembly to quality control. Jobs in this sector will shift to robot maintenance and operations. Robots are also improving the lives of construction workers and everyday people. For example, startups are hard at work developing autonomous construction vehicles. These machines will help workers do their jobs more safely and efficiently. Autonomous cars could even reduce stress and injury rates. In fact, a Chinese construction company made a critical advancement in 2021. Robotic paving vehicles resurfaced a stretch of China's busiest highway, the Nanjing-Shanghai Expressway. Medicine. Healthcare is one of the frontiers of robotics today, with innovations pushing the boundaries of science and engineering. Robots will transform medicine in the years and decades ahead, with everything from remote robotic surgeries to AI nurses. By 2030, robots could be a commonplace sight in the halls of hospitals around the globe. One of the most fascinating niches of medical robotics is robot surgery. Patients might die in some parts of the world because they don't have access to a doctor who knows how to treat them. Remote robotic surgeries could change that. In 2022, researchers at MIT announced a new system that would let doctors remotely treat stroke and aneurysm patients. Time is critical with conditions like these. Patients can't wait for a doctor to fly halfway around the world. MIT's remote robotic surgery system could save lives. Robots are helping out in other ways too. The COVID-19 pandemic triggered a surge in demand for UV disinfection bots. These autonomous machines rove through buildings killing bacteria and sterilizing surfaces using UV light. This protects everyone working in and inhabiting hospitals and reduces the spread of disease. Exploration. Increased robotics growth is also fueling exploration. Just as robots improve industrial safety by automating the most hazardous tasks, they can survey areas that may be too dangerous for humans to explore safely. Because they can come in smaller sizes, move faster and record a wider range of data than people, robots can also help analyze the previously inaccessible. Some may be surprised to hear that Earth's oceans are one of the least explored places in our corner of the solar system. Scientists have studied less than 20% of the world's oceans. By comparison, we have photographed 99% of the moon's surface. There are likely entire species in the darkest depths of the sea that scientists haven't even discovered yet. Robots are helping explorers traverse these realms of the deep, where water pressure is far too high for scuba divers to withstand. The future of robotics and our world. Robots could someday be our drivers, companions, co-workers, teachers, surgeons, and exploration pioneers. The capabilities of this technology will only grow as scientists and engineers continue to innovate and evolve robotics. Robots are already a central part of everyday life in many capacities. They will likely improve the quality of life for billions of people and even help us reach new horizons on our planet and beyond. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.